Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by signing into your 1xBet account on desktop or mobile. Open the account menu and select Settings. Confirm your phone number and email are up to date in profile details. Install a top authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Authy on your phone now. Ensure you can receive SMS if you plan to use SMS2FA instead of an authenticator. Prepare a secure place to store backup codes or a written copy for account recovery. Navigate to Security or Two-Factor Authentication within your 1xBet account settings. Choose your preferred method, Authenticator app or SMS messages for codes. If using an app, scan the on-screen QR code or type the 16-character key manually into the app. After scanning, the app shows a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. Enter the current 6-digit code into the website to confirm activation. Save any provided recovery codes in a secure location after enabling 2FA. Log out and then log back into 1xBet to verify two-factor authentication prompts. When prompted, open your Authenticator app and enter the current 6-digit code to complete login. Keep recovery codes offline and do not store them in email or cloud notes. If you change phones, transfer the Authenticator app or rescan the QR code before wiping the old device. If you lose access, contact 1xBet support and provide identity verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.